With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here we are having a question that says a person has exhaled forcefully, the amount of air present in his lung is. We are having 4 options. Option 1 says 0 liter, option 2 says 3 liter, option 3 says 1.2 liter, and the last option, that is option 4, says your 0.5 liters. In this question, we will first understand a little bit about your lung capacities first, and then we will be able to answer that which type of lung capacity is being asked in the question. So basically, we are having your 4 very basic, or you can say standard lung capacities, and these are your tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, and the last one is your residual volume. These are the one which are standard. Along with that, we are having few you can say volumes as well, which are actually sums of one or more than one capacities. So we are having your IC, that is inspiratory capacity. Then we are having your FRC, which is functional residual volume. Then along with that, we are having your VC, that is vital capacity. And the last one we are having is your PLC, that is total lung capacity. Now, if we understand a little bit about these capacities, so the first one is your tidal volume. Tidal volume is the amount of air that is breathed in and out in a normal, quiet breathing. It is about 500 ml. Then the next one which we are having is your inspiratory reserve volume. It is the, you can say, additional air that can be added forcefully in after, you can say, inspiration of a normal tidal volume. So it is around 300 ml. Then we are having expiratory reserve volume, which is the additional air that can be forcibly exhaled after the expiration of a normal tidal volume. It is around 1.2 liters. And then we are having your residual volume. Now, residual volume is the amount of air, or you can say the volume of air that remains in the lung even after maximum or forceful expiration. So the same was asked to you in the question. So we got the answer that your residual volume is the one we were looking for. Now talking about the quantity, we can say that the average residual volume in healthy males is about 1.2 liters, whereas in the females it is slight less, that is 1.1 liter. Eventually we can say that now your option 3 is a correct option, that says 1.2 liter. Let's understand a little bit about all the other capacities which we are having as well. So let's understand that as well. So the first one which we are having is your IC, that is your inspiratory capacity. It is the total volume of air a person can inspire after a normal expiration. After that, we are having FRC, which is your functional residual volume, and it is the, you can say, functional residual volume equals to the sum of your expiratory reserve volume and your residual volume. That means FRC is equals to ERV plus RV. Now talking about your VC, that is your vital capacity, it is the maximum amount of air that a person can expel from the lung after maximum inhalation. It is known as your vital capacity, and it is around 4.5 liters. And the last one which we are having is your total lung capacity, that is the maximum amount of air that can be held at any time in the 2 lungs. So it is about your 6 liters. So eventually we got the answer that your RV is around 1.2 liters in males, and in females it is around 1.1 liters. So in the question it was mentioned 1.2 liters, so option 3 is a correct option. Rest all 3 are wrong, because we understood that your residual volume was the one which was asked to you in the question, and we understood the very important thing about the residual volume, that it can remain in the lung even after the maximum forceful exhalation. Also, residual volume cannot be measured directly using a spirometer. This volume exists because the pleural fluid stretches and holds the lung against the rib. So this was all for this question. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.